Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Instagantt with Asana to create milestones and project schedules. If you're managing complex projects in Asana and need a visual timeline with dependencies and milestones, Instagantt transforms your tasks into a fully functional Gantt chart that syncs seamlessly with your Asana workspace. First, head over to the Instagantt website at instagantt.com. Once you're there, look for the login button in the top right corner of the page and click it. This will take you to the authentication screen where you can connect your existing accounts. On the login screen, click Login with Asana. This option allows Instagantt to pull your project data directly from Asana, creating a bridge between the two platforms. You'll be prompted to authorize Instagantt to access your Asana account, so go ahead and complete that authorization process. After you've logged in, you'll land on the Instagantt dashboard. Look for the Connect Project button in the left-hand navigation panel and click it. This is where you'll choose which Asana project you want to visualize as a Gantt chart. From the list that appears, select the specific Asana project you want to sync with Instagantt and click Connect Project. This action imports all your tasks and sets up the visual timeline. Once connected, you'll immediately see your Asana project's tasks displayed as a Gantt chart in Instagantt. Each task appears as a horizontal bar along a timeline, making it easy to see your project's overall schedule at a glance. If you need to add a new task, simply click the Add Task button and fill in the details. Now here's where Instagantt really shines. To create a milestone, right-click on any existing taskbar directly on the Gantt chart. From the menu that appears, select Convert to Milestone. Your task will transform into a yellow diamond on the timeline, marking that critical project moment visually distinct from regular tasks. You can easily adjust start and due dates by clicking and dragging the ends of any task or milestone bar along the timeline. This drag and drop functionality makes schedule adjustments incredibly quick. To create task dependencies, click and drag from the end of one taskbar to the start of another. This links the tasks and shows which work must be completed before other tasks can begin. For team coordination, click on any task to open the Details pane. Then click the Assignee field to assign tasks or milestones to specific team members. The real power of this integration is that any changes you make in Instagantt automatically sync back to Asana and vice versa, keeping your project schedule and milestones perfectly aligned across both platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.